Hello everyone, today we're going to resolve the new daily challenge number 1922, count good numbers. So here we have a digit string is good if the digit zero index at even indexes are even and the digits at odd indices are prime 2, 3, 5 or 7. So we have few examples like 2, 5, 8, 2 is good because the digits 2 and 8 at even position are even and the digits 5 and 2 at odd position are prime. However, 3, 2, 4, 5 is not good because 3 is an even index but it's not even. So we give an integer n and we should return the total number of good digits string of length n. Since the answer may be larger, we can return it modulo by 10, 9 plus 7. A digit string consists of digits from 0 through 9 that may contain leading zeros. So we have another examples where input 1 and output 5 because the good numbers of length 1 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And we have other examples like with input 4 and input 50. So let's think about this problem creatively, like a story of building secret code. So imagine you're a spy creating secret codes. Your codes are a string of symbols and you need to make a code that is exactly n symbols long, our input. But we have specific rules for building the code. First rule, for the slots at even position, the first slot, 5 slot, etc., we start counting from 0. Remember, we must use one of the 5 even symbols. Maybe circle, square, triangle, star, and hexagon. And rule 2, for the dot at odd position, the second slot, the fourth slot, the sixth slot, etc. Because remember, we are starting not from 1, we started from 0. We must use one of the 4 prime symbols, maybe red, blue, green, or yellow. So our mission is to count how many different secret codes we can possibly create that follow rule 1 and rule 2. This number can be huge, so we can adjust answer to modulo of 10 square 9 plus 7, a specific large number spies use. So how to count the codes? And here we can use algorithm pattern with Combinatorics with modulo arithmetic and modular exponential. Quite complex. So what steps will be? First, we count the slot. Determine exactly how many even positioned slots and how many odd positioned slots there are in code of length n. Then we think only about even slots. So you have 5 symbols choice for the first even slot, 5 for the second, and so on. Now we will think only about the odd slots. So if you have 4 symbol choice for each. After that, we will combine them. Since choices for even slot doesn't affect the choice for odd slots, we can find the total number of different codes by multiplying the even position by the odd possible. After that, we will use PyMath, our model. Because the number gets really big, we need to model it to 10, 9 plus 7 to get smaller number. And finally, we will return result that of final multiplication by model, our answer. So complexity of this will be time of big O of n dominated by the power function calls, which use effectively model exponential. We use power, and space will be big O of 1 because we use fixed amount of access space regulated of n. So let's start coding. So first of all, we use our mod, which will be equal to 10, 9 plus 7. next step will be to determine counts for even or odd indexes position in the code. So we will use num starting with even indices. It will be equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Then num or odd indices will be equal n by 2. Now our second step will be calculate combination for even positions, like 5 symbols each, and calculate combination for odd position. It will be 4 symbols at each. So we will start with even possible choices, which will be equal to power of 5 num even indexes and our mod. And we do the same for odd. Odd possible choices equal power for num odd indices and use the mod. Now we will need to use combinations of even multiplied by odd choice and modular it by our mod, so the return would be less. So use return, use even choices multiplied by odd choices and modular by mode. So let's run this and submit. And as we see, this is pretty efficient code. So thank you for your attention. If you have any recommendation, ideas, feel free to leave them down below in comments. Have a nice day. Bye.